x to the 0 equals 1, or maybe it's a number, 3 to the 0, or really anything you want. You can make it as complicated as you like. All of these things all equal 1. And a good question is, why? Why does that equal 1? Did someone just decide that's what it's going to be? And the answer is no. We can show that it has to equal 1. So the easy way to see this is just to start out by taking whatever number it is, let's say we're doing x, and write x over x. Well, of course, we know x over x is just 1. But another way we can write this, right, is this is x to the 1 power over x to the 1 power. And if we're dividing two variables, we can go ahead and just subtract their powers, the 1 on top minus the 1 on bottom. And of course, 1 minus 1 is 0. So there you go. We just showed that x to the 0 equals 1. So there we did it for x. Let's go ahead and do it again for 3, just to show that it works exactly the same way. So 3 over 3, that obviously equals 1. On the other hand, I can write that as 3 to the 1 power over 3 to the 1 power, and then I can take the top power minus the bottom power, which gives me 3 to the 0. And at this point, it should be clear that there's nothing special about x or 3. I could put whatever I want there and that would work. Except, the one exception to this rule is 0. So 0 to the 0 does not equal 1. In fact, 0 to the 0 is undefined, which is just a way of saying that we can't say it equals any number. It equals no number. So let's see why that's the case. So we start out the same. We do 0 over 0. The problem is, you remember from your classes that you cannot divide by 0. So 0 over 0 not only does not equal 1, it doesn't equal any number. It's undefined. So already we're stuck, and we can't